just a short video tutorial on how to create a graph using Vernier graphical analysis. This video will assume that you have already downloaded and installed the program. Once installed, your desktop icon will look like two curves. And when you open, you have three options. We will be using manual entry. First thing I like to do is set up my column names, and with this particular program, changing the column names automatically changes the name of the axis as well. I am using data for another experiment. Obviously, then follow my names. I have time of heating, and my units are in minutes. Apply. And then the same thing with the y-axis, just click on the three ellipses, column options, and here I'm going to, have temperature. My units here will be in degrees Fahrenheit, lowercase o, capital F. I personally would prefer to see black or gray. And if I just click on symbol, and then I click on the palette, I can get myself to a black color. And then apply. So you notice we have temperature Fahrenheit, time of heating in minutes. Same thing here for my data set. And now I can just go ahead and enter my data. So I have my first data point is 0.0, and when I hit enter, it changes to 0. I'm not really worried about setting to a specific number of decimal places because graphical analysis will automatically add in the decimal places as needed. I have 94.2, and all I'm doing is hitting enter, and it automatically moves me to the next open cell, 10.2, and 135.0. Let me just finish here quickly with the data. 158.1, 25.5, and what's my other one? 180. Is that right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not right. I missed one. Oh. Let's see if I can. 15. No. 135. This is what I get for trying to do this on the fly. 158.1. Okay. I wonder. There we go. Unlike some graphing programs, apparently graphical analysis is fine with you putting your data, putting a missing data point in. Nice, I like that. Next thing we're going to do is add the best fit line to your data points. For that, you're going to come down and click on your graph tools, apply curve fit. You have numerous possibilities. We are looking at linear. And I can shrink that down a little bit. Notice my best fit line here does not go through all my data points, and that's what I want. I'm totally fine with that. For part 1 of your lab, you will be recording your slope, your M value, as well as your B value. 2 more pieces that you will need to complete. One will be again clicking on graph options, coming down and adding the title to your graph. With the title to the graph, you need to actually put in a descriptive title. Let's see. I have temperature of water as a function time. And notice that up on top here, I get the title of my graph showing up. Last piece, of course, is then to get the graph to me. You have 2 options. I'm going to come up to Untitled, and under File menu, click Export. And for this, save it as a PNG. And what I would like is, I would like to have a name. So, who are you? So let's see, Price. Put down your username. That works really well. So my email name is Price4 underscore and if you want, you could go lab 3 graph. That works fine. Okay. And then save it, and it'll be your PNG. You can simply upload the PNG file when you, or I'm sorry, attach your PNG file as you attach your scanned graph. The other thing that you can do is, let me close this, would be to go ahead and do a screen capture. So for Windows 10, it's the Windows key, Shift S, and I'm just going to go ahead and select just the graph. I don't need to see your data because it's already on your data page. And then start up and just, there you go. And it's just copy and paste into a Word document. And then of course you can save this as a PNG, I'm sorry, a PDF. Save this as a PDF, again with a nice descriptive file name. As always, if you have any questions, please get in touch with me. I will be happy to help you.